Okay, before I record this video, which probably is going to be the most important video ever recorded in my channel, I have to start by saying that I really feel ashamed to be part of, or at least to be considered as one of these Nei Gong teachers. Because nowadays things are really going off in in a really bad direction, with people trying to cut from the noise and the competitions of other people by saying and doing things which are totally unbearable and wrong. Uh, Saying to people that they can do a faci just in a few months. Uh, I don't even know what to do about that, to be honest, because you know, Neigong is takes several years to grow into this practice, and the most stupid thing you could do actually it's doing a faci, which we do. We show because we have to show that what we're doing works. But it's not very difficult, if you go on these trips, you pay lots of money. Somebody opens the channels for you. They give you some pills. It's like you're taking some steroids and you perform on that day something that even your body is not meant to do, because serious practice begins with putting the right foundation and growing slowly. And as everything that happens fast in life falls down fast. So it's very hard for me even to speak about these things because I would rather stay quiet and practice, which is more important. It's more serious also than doing this kind of silly videos. But at the same time, I think this is probably one of the most important one, which follows up another video that I was forced to do, the previous video about the warning of about the Qigong industry, which now has become an industry only driven by profit. There's nothing wrong in getting paid for what you do, especially if you're dedicated and serious about it, and what you offer is not a scam, but it is something that brings result. Totally respectable. There's no difference between teaching this or doing something else or working as a carpenter. It's just something that requires time, dedication, and effort to achieve. So nothing wrong with that. The only problem is that when these people start to put outside this kind of information of just come with us, and in a few months you do a faci, and in the next just few months more is going to be stronger, and then even stronger. They're really destroying the beauty of this practice, which is a powerful, beautiful practice for self-knowing, for being free, for getting to know yourself to a level that really uh, take you out of all this nonsense of spirituality, of health, and advices and listening to people. Puts you in control and responsibility of your own self. But people don't want to do that. Most of the time, we want to go for the quick fix, for the superpower and the high master stuff, which is going to do the work for you. So we end up paying all this money, which is going to probably, this whole dream is going to last just for a few months, because then you realize that your body is not transformed. Maybe you went there, you received this opening of the channels, you receive a charge from the master, you receive some pills, which, as I said, they can even be bad, in my opinion, for you if the body is not in the right place to do such performances. But who cares? They just care about your wallet. And of course, if there is somebody like me or someone else telling you you have to practice many years, and this thing is not the most important thing to do with Faji, it's actually quite silly. There's something much greater than that, because people in this Neigong field believe that Neigong is about Dantian, lower Dantian. That's it. How you do the mystical practice. Things are quite simple. You have to practice daily, and the whole body gets transformed. Not only during the practice, only during the day. The perception of yourself, of your body, and everything around you changes quite a lot. That is the real thing. It's a silent work. It's not a woo-woo, supernatural, mystical transformation that happens. It's quite actually down to earth, but it really has a great impact on yourself. It's not easy because you get to see yourself for who you are. And of course, most childish people, they will go for the entertainment stuff, which is what is happening everywhere. It's normal. It's like, when things lands to America, there have nothing wrong with Americans. I have many students in America. So all my students, please take it in the right way. When things take to America, they take a different turn, even with yoga. People start to be impressed about their body, about crazy shape that they can do. They don't understand what it is. Yoga means union. It's another topic. We can go into that maybe another time. But it's about something else. It's all about a performance, like a posture, like a faci or something like this. But unfortunately, nowadays in this field, some of these people are trying to cut short and also to damage indirectly other teachers, students, and by providing informations that are totally wrong. And on one end, okay, on the other hand, I am a kind of a small public figure in this field, even if I don't want to. So you're touching everybody here. We have to say what we're really doing here, what you're really doing. I think it's not correct. It's not correct for the people who get abused and get scammed, and God knows even if they develop some health issue. I even seen videos where they promise that with the treatment you can extend your life of a few years. That's why I'm talking about this stuff. I wouldn't do this. I will stay quiet. I will do my own business. But this is my own business also, because this is what I teach, what I practice, and this is my role within this nonsense of the social media and the internet. And this is not correct. What it is happening now, it doesn't have any integrity. I even believe sometimes even these people who are putting out this information, they are doing it naively. They don't even know. They are just stepping in. Some of these people just stepped in into this neigong field just a few years ago. And maybe I even believe that they are doing it with the right intention behind. But the thing is, these Chinese masters don't really care about you, me, and everybody else. They just care about money. Especially they love ripping off Westerners. I don't know if you've been in Asia. It's it's a sport. So I think we are seeing like the silly foreigners coming and with a big pocket. Uh, in the day that I recorded this first video about this bad turn and things are taking, um, when one of these master actually, one that at the moment is becoming quite popular in one sense because many of these new Instagrams profiles or YouTube profiles are boosting up, offering these $5,000 expensive trips for treatment, extending your life, doing a faci on the same day. This same master contacted me on the same day that I filmed that video. He contacted me on Facebook. My phone is over there, so I cannot even read the message, but basically he asked me to become friends on Facebook. He introduced himself in a very brutal and straight way. This is me, I do this faci, I do treatment, these are my videos. And I don't know what to say. So in a very polite way, first thing I did was I gave a thumb, just it's a polite, neutral way of replying to somebody sometimes. But then he comment again like, "Oh, this is faci treatment." Okay, I said, so what's the purpose of you sending me? May I ask you in a very polite way, what's the purpose of sending these videos and why? And his answer was, "Oh, we don't speak the same language. I'm gonna quit the conversation. I'm gonna delete your contact." And then actually, I found out they even blocked me on Facebook when I was trying to see the profile again of this master. That now you see uh, becoming quite popular due to these new practitioners with these new systems, with these profiles with all videos of different masters, different things showing special abilities and all this kind of stuff. It's a great nonsense. And this is where I feel ashamed because the Neigong practice is not about that. The Qi Gong practice is not about achieving a faci. these are things that might happen or might not happen. And actually, the Fachi is not even the most impressive and useful Fagung energy emission that we can do. There is Fashen, there are more subtle emissions that can even be more beneficial for the energy practice, for helping the practitioner, a little more less dense, softer. Fachi is the show. 5G is what, of course, cut through the videos, through the noise. It's a proof, it's shocking for the first time that you're experiencing it, but it's not even the most, let's say, difficult expression. In fact, anybody could do it. That just you go there, you pay, you take the pill, whatever, boom, and you do it. Yeah. So it's quite sad that I have to do these videos, but you know, it's part of my job, and also I feel a little bit of responsibility also towards my students. They may think, "Oh, we have been practicing so many years, and this guy is saying we can just go there and do this thing as long as we pay." So I feel really ashamed to be considered to be part of this field. For me, the Neigong, the Neigong is a silent practice that I do on a daily basis to know myself, to transform the way I perceive my body, the emotions, and the mind. That's the best thing that can happen. It's a self-improvement practice to elevate towards a higher functioning of the human being, which is practical, does require external help. The external help that we might receive, it's a temporary thing. It's never gonna take over the daily work. And the daily work is what brings the inner knowing of yourself on many different levels. So please watch out. And for my students, especially, I hope that this video could clarify some doubts or some questions that you might have about what's happening. I have already received some messages after the first video of some people confirming to me that they have seen now this nonsense taking place. And unfortunately, nonsense can become quite big due to social media and to algorithm and to something big, quite entertaining and impressive. I just watch out. And Neigong takes many years. It's a daily thing, it's a serious thing, it's a beautiful thing, it's a difficult thing, it's wonderful. So just seeing it in that way, it's your own responsibility. If you do something that works, if you follow a structured system, something serious, not somebody coming up with some kind of practices and showing videos here and there of different masters and all this nonsense, it's a beautiful thing that you learn and you keep it for yourself and you move on free. Not need to pay to have somebody doing the work for you because it's never going to be like this.